it's Wendy Kohler. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to demonstrate a quick DIY, a room spray, a holiday room spray to be particular, but you can make these room sprays for any room, any occasion, and there are tons and tons of options that you can use. I like this room spray because there are no chemicals, no synthetics, it's all natural. I like a tree aroma with a bit of a citrus in there, and I use it around the house during Christmas time, and I like to spray it on our artificial tree. I know, we have an artificial tree, but well, that's the topic of a different post. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use essential oils. Today I have chosen frankincense, grapefruit essential oil, and Douglas Fir. And this combination is really beautiful for that holiday festive aroma. But you could use black spruce, northern escape, midnight forest, any citrus and tree oil together would make a beautiful option. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 15 drops of frankincense. Okay, then you're gonna do 20 drops of grapefruit and 20 drops of Douglas Fir. Okay, then you're going to add a teaspoon of sea salt. I've got everything all ready. Or you can use Himalayan salt, or you could use an ounce of witch hazel or even vodka to stabilize it. And then you're just gonna simply fill with water. I like to use a measuring cup because I have made a mess in my past. So that's all you're gonna have to do. Put the spray top on, spray your tree, spray carpet areas, just spray the air, and you get simple non-toxic solutions. You can spray even like wood ornaments or clay ornaments as well, or even just put an essential oil drop or two on there for that holiday aroma without the synthetics. Join me for the rest of my holiday DIY options. These make great gifts, great stocking stuffers, great welcome gifts for people, great for baskets. There's so many different things, you guys. If you want to change up the recipe, knock your socks off.